Morgan. Come here, guys. Come here. Come here. Charlie is the yellow nape. I mean, not the yellow nape. The double yellow-headed. This one big blue-fronted Amazon is Jack, and the lilac crown is Morgan. Charlie is a girl. Charlie's a boy, Jack is a girl, and Morgan is a boy. Uh-oh. Move the camera away. Because they're excited, huh? Oh, you guys excited? Are you guys excited because we got a new member? The flock? Yeah. You're okay, Morgan. Fat cat. The blue-fronted Amazon is very mean, but the others are very nice. The other two are nice. We might have some hybrid Amazon if these two breed, these two in front of us, but I was really hoping for... Oh shit. I was really hoping for the yellow-headed Amazon to breed with us. Hi, Charlie. Hi, Charlie. Woo! Woohoo! 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 Charlie. Woohoo! Woohoo! Mira, ma. Es macho, mira. Might have some hybrids, hopefully, but might have some blue-fronted / yellow-headed Amazon hybrid. Uh-oh, here comes Jack again. Jack, knock it off. Knock it off, Jack. Knock it off. Knock it off. There's a little yelling noise. Watch out, Charlie. Come here. Come on, Charlie. Go back with your flock, Charlie. And this is some close-up footage of our Amazon. Uh-oh. Thank you for watching.